guys, it's Eddie the Magic Monk. Eddie the Magic Monk. Eddie the Magic Monk. Eddie the Magic Monk.
Hey guys, it's Eddie the Magic Monk. I'm currently looking at the clock on my car, Hyundai i20, and you can see that there are basically 3 buttons here, and that is used to adjust the clock. So if your time is wrong, to adjust it, alright, I'm gonna figure it out as I'm talking to you. Let's press set, the top button. Hold it down. Okay, so I got the date, not gonna change that. Alright, month, not changing that. Okay, now we get to the time. So I'm not changing the hour, but I'm gonna change the minutes to make it a little bit more. Alright, and then you press set, 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 set. Okay, I guess when you're done, just hold it down for a bit longer. Alright, done. Thanks for watching, guys. See you next time.
Eddie the Magic Eddie the Magic Monk. Thanks for watching, guys. See you next time.